mum's just literally asked the most stupid question ever. Do we want to go to Ikea? Of course we want to go to Ikea. It's funny because when I was younger, I actually hated Ikea. And whenever mum and dad said that they were going, I would stay at home with my nan and granddad. And now it's literally like my favourite shop. How times have changed. But yeah, it's not going to be like a massive Ikea haul because the things that I actually need are quite expensive. So I'm being realistic. I need some new drawers because mine are broken. And I need a new bed and a new mattress. So I'm going to have a look at mattresses today. Somehow I don't think I'm going to fit a bed frame in mum's car. So this video is going to be like more like organise my room with me. So let's go to Ikea. Shower inspo. My favourite part. Having a slight problem. I did buy a new candle, not that I really needed a new one. But this is peach, but it's half pink and half orange, and I thought that was really cute. And it smells really nice. And I just bought an aloe vera plant because everyone who knows me knows that I absolutely love aloe vera. And then the plant pot as well. And he's just gonna sit on my shelf, I think. Obviously take the plastic off. I might put him up here with my cactuses, cacti, whatever. Also from Ikea. Just need to take him out of the packaging. Smells like summer. So I got myself a new mattress. It is just a foam, I think, but it was a showroom one, so it was reduced. It is a bit of a risk because I don't know what it's actually like, but I really need a new mattress. But I'm hoping it's not going to be really uncomfortable. An update on the mattress. I had to order a new one. It's not from Ikea, but like I said, this was a risk and it was not worth the risk. Can we just appreciate how thin this mattress is? I've been sleeping on this for over a week and the backache is real. Me and mum measured it and it's actually 5 centimeters thick. So I'm just going to use this as like a mattress topper, I think, because there ain't a chance in hell anybody's going to want to buy this. Right, fast forward like 2 weeks I think it's been. The drawers are still in their boxes. Your girl is slacking, but it's the end of September and it's been like 30 degrees, so I've been making the most of it. But the next few weeks are going to be hella busy, so I need to get on with them like right now, because I ain't gonna have time to breathe, let alone time to be building furniture. And also I don't even know when I'm gonna have time to edit this video, so it's probably gonna be delayed. And if I've been AWOL for a while, then that's the reason why. But I'm back and I need to get on with it. So this is my current drawer sitch. They're collapsing. And the third one, I can't even open it because of this one. I have to literally get my sister to help me lift it up to open this drawer. But the new drawers I've got are exactly the same. I think these are called Malma from Ikea. So the new ones are 6 drawers, so still the 4, so it's going to be taller. And then there's 2 little ones at the top. That gap there, they're just messed up. So that's why I had to buy some new ones. To be fair, I've had them for quite a while. So I need to empty them, like sort through all the crap and transfer it all. I'm going to carry on with it tomorrow because the next bit, as you can see, I need to put the back on. To put it on, got to hammer the screws in, and Mum's got work early, so I'm not going to do that now because it is actually quite late, and yeah, I'll just do it tomorrow.
Day 2.
I'm on the final step, building the drawers. Drawers are finally done. So now I just need to put my stuff in the drawers. I'm not sure Oh no, I did that one wrong. I've done this one upside down. Grey. Grey. I think I need to change that because that's going to get very dirty.
Eventually.
So this is how it's going with my drawers. So I've got all my bottled products like hair stuff, perfumes. I've got a few palettes there and just like lotions and stuff in this drawer. These are all too tall to fit in here, so I need to find somewhere to put these. I might have to lay them down in one of the drawers, or I might just keep them on the bedside table because they are things that I use every day. Then in this drawer, yeah, so all just more beauty stuff. It's a bit of a mess. And then top drawers, getting a bit messy already. All just like everyday tops and stuff. Very full jeans and trouser drawer. I just need a bigger wardrobe.